agus fáiltí hiig na seanslia mas maidh seans láú glaciad ar na seanslia is sé Hugh McGill cara a ras ríislih ar le gáanta an seo agus an go se gáanta bhíhil tú inniu tá íoní intaspeistógan an seaarting seo ach ní sin ra cé so fá go bheice ná anlas go héiletí de in bhhaine acu ag dasú ar an fi an dá YouTube ní ggéimiid cécin ní go chaú faoin mus go fáil ar dús buir an seo le mo chuid cairde mo chuid có leaci ar aine bhuiir aine timar tú.
Hugh, tá ní smó cálíní na lads. Déir hir hall sean chéadú dúsa bhfuil daoine ar mohiú ar mo éan so tá ansásta inniu.
Fair, very fair. Well, I mean, you know, yeah, nearly even few costs of them. Yeah, too much completely outnumbered. And far one yeah, that are in Podchraoladh. James of Florida, Jimmer tattoo.
Yeah, I just feel like it just me outnumbered there so because the horse. Just ich habe ihn gute Birthday just Gary Tustini at a podcast they machoshis. After Gaelgals auch eng at a podcast in you so Thomas bras after so shouldn't boo on home.
Yeah. This is James the Grass that is this like an token Daniela and pod. Yeah, I can ish. And this time would what do you call it? Them which a wadney's carmanish and shimmer or a good Ian interspesh than charting shot a hard to Gael to much shaw le Róisín agus la Lucy as the Gaelgals.
Hello,
come on. Ross get me now, Lucy. Ross get me now. Get the decorum or a giant. Jimmer Thatcher for Róisín this Jimmer Thatcher.
Come on, neach fe bla fada. Bim cine súlairí ar de man hoisiilta agus hí go bhím se bheitá seasta. Níos a fiú bhfuil me leat Áine agus James Fearhill.
Sím go just gweil Molly was going to go laughing go Róisín just on talking of she doing the man you know gnim TikTok nor the V fog she trapped bug no oh does you Jenny go mind if I'm tracked there so Molly go laughing go mar get to bug
Mr. Chris Jenner the Gaelga
amazing
sweet
you did a great sweetie
I know banim na tan of us faculty na dinner agus yes man takeocht the words yeah come on is sauce about live in nacht agus sure baby so cracking rechi agus yeah Garmina bagi
Kent you winch it yeah no clue can't I'm during the honey much of shit
like the globe earring.
Oh, it's a globe, isn't it?
It's a globe.
Oh, sorry. He must be the catch being globe like a nightclub in Monaco. I was like, can I actually rich it in this RIP? Like,
no, yeah.
All right.
Oh, Brooke.
I was like, I don't think Russian and crowd if you went to Gala.
No.
Fast. Yeah, go home, man. Much in shop fast now. Lucy, Jimmer tattoo.
Hello again, Corjo. Tom, come on. She co Josh of Echo. Tom Malekin like it being Hannah Haino Begora, so she'll come balance for you. Yeah, she co Josh of Echo. Yeah, Neon Hayes. Will me lots on yeah, August, obviously Hugh, na Gaelgals Ceapan gur bin an orhéarna go bach méisih agus James an ní ceapan gur bhfuil méid achtainna ar bhfuil
am íon tú
bhfuil mé absolútely
yeah sin bíon only siú rád céanna go mí mar just you know MIA go
cool
Tasú go mé man ácín le chun
incognito
It's fear angraithe James
yeah well tasking yeah extra James gonna be too much gonna be film the galley obviously
oh yes win the freshen
Yahoo
deadly an actor someone no
well tá chuid acu haar leir so
yeah
forwaring cheanna siad ticket jobs níor fé post is ní fiúcha si ceisio just ceanna si go so bé má
yeah níor siad ro cosach níor
níor bhaint am leis ach bé má
Bait sé mar chéad féil in the galley níor mé an Hannah so Tom
se class
like
Mission mar gine ní ra mé riá Hannah súil go mór leis
yay
ná me sin go forward in ní room
Wow.
yeah
lads
yeah ní me bhím sé féil eile cin tar féil eile acu tí éis an eachtas a racáring
test me into the country yeah it's really not Rudley energy galley
no tá sé cos le fé galí dó tá sé cos
campáil i mína saona
No.
Yeah, bhí criú.
Tá costas an eachtas ach cinná mini eachtas tá. Agus bhí just a glóba acu sin Iraqáring agus tas an bhím seán Hugh me seachan is me gur okay tá chun na míis. Ní éonidir go bheith tá go cap go alien mission Hugh me seachan. Ce go túach is mar le sé garú.
Tá sib sa seasta.
Agus bhí me just caiinte daoine mar le Hugh hains mar le so and so she's like oh yeah tá gcuil am lása
Col 8tar.
Tarlín sin nachhanat
Tarlin.
Airnaí ahanana le éit den siir ar don dóin
Ire. Tána duna híns Lucy i Milan le garid.
Stad.
Cho aisteach. So bhí mar ag fánacht go train ar aigen agus like Hainte clugnar ag an sníhe bhí an, like bhí sé déanach glóir. Well, like déanach.
All right, party animal, calm down.
Yeah, I know. So, bhí mar like inar síán agus rating mé ar chalín like ingúna álin. I was like, oh, cé ná sin fuair sí gúna sin. An sin chuúla siad sí muidna ag leart an chéile agus chuir sí ceisiún, oh, an airnig ship. We were like, yeah. BTW gof le a gúna agus dúirtí just hostig mu a gleirt like chuirtá dhéana bheici agus dúirtí gur si déana staidir ar an Gaelga in UL and I was like oh an Gaelga you say so yeah dúirtí gapan si bhfuil si an Jackar like mar Theanga and I was like oh bheartit like éisteach le Podchraoladh. She's like, oh yeah, Asian I can't darvanam Podchraoladh Gaelgals. I was like, no fucking way. I was like, maga. So yeah, and I was like, oh well, we should leave see on the Gaelgals. And shin Hershey Glake and Erachara, like let us bond to melee. He's like, oh ash the class. But yeah, the coach ass shout out quickie ni quibbling
Bhí go go sína búla celebrity more so bhíon tála idir hin.
Well, no, Áine action tan bhí arhí. Áine bhíon
yeah.
No, serious.
Yeah. An banháin eile an gluach seo.
Róisín.
Áine car, yeah. Jamesine. James Arena.
R.I.P.
Oh my god, she's not ratchet though.
Yeah, but Ash of lots nine in Dina like call it coppers fishes. You just like
like I don't know. Tom down Cobb Yokshin, Ox Marder Aaron literally are foot notch. Like me page that dollar lane to Sarah gone like Ganzi Mio Echo
well Mayo
like so yeah no we should go hall and though it's brawling me feel that Aaron it's just
there was sure hall le father do na go gal and Mio on agus tá Ganzi Mio got a hibernation is a cup shaft in ní ekki mu hart a gal anyways a cup shaft so
well fall go gross ní vanna seachas sa chearú sin ar de sábhachtaí.
Okay. It's got a balance.
Scraps.
Okay.
Scraps.
You know them dinner beat Eagrán James and Hugh.
No, the Mission Gornell James. You know more lad.
I know. I need to get right. He chearú ní vanna man. Ní vanna.
James a gimmer style Caru.
I know. One ní vanna was Lahamas when ní cosí bamsa chase. Geez, ABK is an old Yaru anyways. You know, freaking country on that day.
All right. Action replay.
James Urker zoom in or in lad of V cool ambition.
How whiteboard is zoom it.
I cannot custom. Well, I don't think it may be on though. I don't think it may be on.
Peter Gael at leis. Ní bach sad.
Peter, yeah, maar Seamus of Fáilte bhí radio. So I think it's my head on.
No, it's like a famous Jafferta a bhíon go hom an difriúil. Ní bheith go Sin rud is fear though. I think mission an inventions fair a bhí genting na Gael na choí chumdá because nus anam chain tú haar lear. It's like testing gajira agus testing ahanning eile gajira go tú as Aaron like straight away.
Waki sib Paul Mescal ag Coachella a caiú bríiste gearra Kildara. Agus le líon cai sé cin muo agus rinne Gucci lagan a bhí cosló. Fáin seachtais agus bé lagan den de bhríistí Kildara.
Is chuid minút a bhíon sa freisin mar nuair bhí mid smolsca bhí choile like oh my god mar chumid go bháúd agus bhí choile bhí sé díalta bach chola.
Fashion icon. Ní like tá cuma có éannach ar Holland just gaú like na stocky bán agus just broga bána péir bríistí gearra GA agus an just tílinn a Metallica.
Híle go like lad as tí sa báirtá nach chu go like bitta a fan saoire agus like seadáis agus like ní bhachsa go hála man.
Sudden is like that true raw John is raw train go sé kann shortly. He's clear go mu se a bob na shortering agus ní stocky céna as é chuling goále as áach sé.
Ní muid a bhíán? Is mar agur chuid a garró a bhíán.
Cumile sin bhín bolle alles agus bhín chlá héí ní vín si glá.
Ní ra sé like ag immert pelle like.
I don't know.
Bhí sé Tá sé chud álas á.
Yeah. Oh yeah, bhí. Ní se clachtíí lei se chasan sin na Harpi like absolutely.
Si ach jazz ar gghine nach nim rin sport.
Ag take run muil jazz Jargar and sin Jared.
It's like ooh Farber chat.
Yeah. Phoebe Bridges are cool, just a slapper a cool, just a
I heb go se brenn go a squishum ag de lá ball go da.
Sé squishum
sweet
the squishies
squishums.
Squashies.
Squishies, squashies, squashies.
Squashies. Yeah, squashies. Squishums.
Squishums though.
Squashies tar.
Aldi brand, squishums.
Yeah.
And that's like Shaka's penguin, it's seal bar.
Yeah.
Agus bín haiku and cool and that's a joke. And walk some shit. Or like the words of wisdom. But I mean, just come out a penguin, so can't go to really be ella. So just go to grammar though, because like I can to like I think like Ernie tests a good Ian or I can do it. Like do you want to roll a second girl Paul Mescal like in like a Asher like fear casual just a Gurker and Shinny Coach Abby's like yeah definitely should just lad to be culture whatever just to learn. Even my argument were slew more like you know if I can do like a calker me like Colin America or like really more sport. Like it's like Super Bowl or whatever, it's been crouch out and then just back into a lad of when like Kerry jersey like Slayer or whatever and you're like oh yeah definitely 100%.
Dear cosle dinner tá siúl hart or electric picnic and wajin journa. Nílas go call pobl soú call card soú your collie sheep ní aki card soú literally lá nus na hédi céin or her own céid lá.
And we'll public Hugh fós agin like
yeah.
I mean, shivshe like a flannel were good like 80 done fail it because like I had a chance to fail it. It's literally just like being 380 a third wire and var just whatever a test the
guys I'm color to Lucy.
Oh yeah. Leia, go didn't she awkward one.
Then they were like okay, ní me go more than someone Leanna agus sin go on agus tá like Lucy we had a Lanish na oh Lucy tu was it extra gully shasa.
Yeah, Catherine Gage shouldn't you know like shin kirchhoff gorja or gore like you know
polish bars fresh and be like color those just talata
like
and even that flannel
like overpacker who falls something like oh my god on KDP and you make quick a reeve it got be list shock shake be now okay be my on that's be my need be my on naive
ish
yes
yeah like
Shan van like
yeah be mala all agam like a wheelie can like carrot cuts
wait what
yeah be mala wheelie agam go EP
like tree like,
yeah
who got to that about it
No, sílam sa gur smuoine maithe, thug mis ceannig mócéad electric picnic. Tá siúlóid cófada seathngata, goil tú bhád níos fearr as leis an bhuilí méallar nach goil tú gompar an meach an óhhar trom seo.
Gan rud é hurt leat.
Even on the wheel on, man, was just a put off.
Bhí sé cótrom sin lads. Ní mé a ná like cos beán an seanna ba le bhá mé nuair neapi si chuig na Austrrála nuair bhí si like muist like bhí sé tu mas chéile ní mé gurí like Samsonáise a chuirlumm like you know sa fork like so yeah hit sé as a chéile agus bhí ar málaí bus bríscar úsáid do bháile so
So Hugh, Jane, do this and knee flat onto the outfits like
no shit. Some yeah, no. Oh, sorry.
So wait, yeah, hold on a second. So ní flalan tú déite go chaú, so just current tú ahanana piece of éide tá agad.
The borders are fraud.
Because sinna fan nachúir mis love éon rud. Like
yeah, it's the thing like mood and my like you know era tá on like yeah things like I'm sure my own anyway yeah sin mar rant.
Ja, bí cholle praat amach hamse. Cholle over praat amach.
Yeah.
Jersey.
Yeah.
Sure.
Jersey na Gaelgals.
No.
Metallica t-shirt. Kildare shorts.
Shit shirt. Got shit shirt.
Yeah.
Okay, dun shit shirt, yeah.
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 Is got an outfit to shower gonja, die ik te zagen. So, you know, got to brand new fresh like that. So being cholle to mach hams to tea. Kid all that crack. A gewoon stockies boxers. I think it's room cholle stokke agus cholle boxer
Really?
Go ik ben maar in het tea logs. I say me goed geen tegen boxers.
Yeah.
Bhí me sin chuna ré, cos hánig me sin rud ar TikTok and it was like na gisá seo galar le into sira agus bhí se like cibhéad like pair stocky agus pants glacu agus like le trí leg lock like líir na jair or whatever. And I was like, no, mat emi if trí leg, lock ma trí pair like
no. Maint báiseach na maint tú floch na maint tú bracach catú
just ní fáim dancer or beat that's it.
Yeah,
just furfa and Anna
Ví sama.
Hugh the main danger for it anyways.
Edvicurma.
Louis Paris sin caiimmuid Lord skitibug ní smó Paris. Cai se vin sin de dahanna godé a Harley godíra.
Well, níach me se tada. So
Níl na gardaí go bh géisiart le seo rá.
No, not ide níach me se tadach sé móháil.
Gordy 50%.
Like sorry, na Gardaí a Boris. Si chodahil. Wow. So si chodas.
Gabrielle, tá tú géis le seo? Tá mé ar fáil ar an deirdín.
Agus tá mo cheol le baile an.
God. Bhí sé cóglóte go má. Agus like, yeah, anyway. So, bhí lá all-in agad ar an Áine, well, seachas Air France about like codéach sin, but you know, that's another scale. Yeah, so ar an Áine bhí lá all-in agad agus cúmar ar na battle moosh, it's like bodge jazzid, so bhí sin jazz ag bhfuir lína graine. Agus an sin ar an Saturn, bhí sé ar intanagin go Disneyland. So
Se plán alta.
Yeah,
with us.
Bhí díagmuid €100 an duine as like agus ní mar an like ar the all na main information but anyway so bhí sé planáta agan dul chuige sin agus bhí like Jarvan brickfast agan done brew agus like brew jazz galore bhí an as in well no ní raibh sé ar deire but like you know cheappa agam an brickfast jazz galore so cúmar an agus bhí mis se taobh le dogmar ar málaí like in booth ach bhí mar ar fád dear an acha leis agus bhí mis se an acha leis like literally agus chas mé timppla le brathnú ar na chaní eile agus nuair chas mé arás go chunig mé greibh Aoife ag dul an tro mí ceart and I was like Aoife cabal tú dul chas mé timppla agus chunig mé fearr ag fágáil or múth agus deag mé I was like like what you doing agus Tom Royas was just kept me gur cheap and boost me care to be on. I was like, God bless him, like have to grab a horse on.
It's always shot like second or expression.
Yeah,
like,
I was like, yeah, because we be like shake lahar Ega ach bhí sé like ó sa chóir, so ní ach mé ein mála nó ein rid ina lá ega. So anyway, who may hall chuig, I was like, there's something weird going on here. Agus bhí móáil agus má Róisín imi, and I was like, what? I was just rip me, like I was like, you know, immediate data like skiing of it, I know ein rid like really like on a mission. Ach bhí sé imi like near me on top there, so rip me irastra agus just make queen obviously because that's what you do. Agus chunig me móála like an taobh den bílan. Weird, don't know conas ar fór sin. Bhí gachard on. Ach bhí na zips ar fád oscailt. Bhí ma spur on, like near hog sé ma spur on. So ach bhí ceann Róisín mi and
ach
yes.
Tá se chógranhar mar ní ma hééis me gobar le písa so ní ra an aige dá. Bhí buital Lipton fáilíach le hazelnut milkán, bhí coppla tampon an agus bhí lipstick on agus cappy agus má phone obviously agus bhí passport card on agus so níor se tada.
Literally
tada.
Like
a caiil se go bhfuair se níos mó as dóhfuil leis an méidin an náhfuair se cos like otherwise blockage a cin Lucy. So obviously if you rather see well Lucy just near few even of that.
It's later like
Tá tampons díos a rank.
Oh yeah. Le tampon.
No chubid seach na Gardaí sé ag siúgur agus speclaí gréine Lucy ó pennies fashion actually mar ring si dermid ar mochid agus chubid a seach go dtíon stáis an Gardaí seems like yeah like bhí Frankie I guess so se anzacad míúrá agus was like yeah hazelnut milk agus like is ní mó phone a bhí an is so bhris mó phone 1+ so bhí an phone áil ar ísacht so phone like €8 bhí an ar tí so like shit like burner phone a bhí an so fí like yeah chuid sem a phone
like Panda and Róisín is like
it was like
no
it's like yeah we should like oh do you have the IMEI number it's like nah it's like what kind of phone is this like you're fucking cool. Ach bhí na Gardaí le chodas agus tháinig siad the chefs we are so sorry, we love the people from Ireland at the UK, we can't catch them all, we are so sorry agus
we can't catch them all
Níl sam ará an Garda flirt a lumsanú le Lucy ach bhí an chatting
definitely an virgin is packaged
yeah like bhí like tag teams attitude agus bhí alsfuin a fánachta mus siúr feheh chuing agus bhí like imi down agus like níor air an níor má passport le tadam agus tuirtí ó bhí sam gro about right mar bhí le se bhil se lacu gádaí like Adrian
like ba heomra omlán difriúil a bhí an like so
Íon me se ó scéil Instagram Róisín groí le go thomláin tréci sa ranking.
Ach bhí like so alsfuin there bhí muid se leis an gáda leisí ed an Embassy Hall agus si rá we are not open until Wednesday agus seo Saturn agus
céin fá like leis
agus bhí flight dalú agus bhí si rá well I expect a call back and I want to know what we can do because she can't stay here until Wednesday. Bhí si like need to get her focail alsfuin agus Paul a bhí a bheith
no Barry yeah
this random man ní rá bhaid sa big le passport ha se seach agus thug se like piece of it's like popper bhí an
sorry just go sé an episode dún bhí sé go an dúntar like chuig lá agus just go dún because bhí mar cho like dígur like
bhí al just like
sorry lenar Róisín
ach thug se like piece of popper agus si bhí man an etála so like bhí like ní rá like níor aige am your phone am your passport am your ID níor tadam bhí se damer like bhí me just céir de seach samála agus shit burner phone agus carthy bag gan aige arm agus tampons agus hazelnut milk
ar a lechanach a bhíad goháile rud a fictere agus bhí se green agus bhí an harpe
bhí
Yeah, from scale.
Okay, finish some scale doing.
I don't think you're good to give you pass again.
No, we cholina like never was fall like a picture at the start that oh you lost your bags like no stolen so she's like
the drama.
I know.
So
our hall does it like that go to
so my hall of medical J1 agus so as you do at the 4th of July go Lake Tahoe agus dog mama bag a taxi.
Oh no.
We bring the goal Tom. You might go play conscience.
Dash no.
I know, in fairness now. Mal choála bhí me so bhí má boci go ach dog má mrúdaí sin agus bhí má trí agluach ar a taxi company agus ní é seansam tá ábhób agus bhí sé cáilte. Mar hin chum má back of Berkeley agus for my emergency passport is an embassy in San Francisco. So bhí ceannaí bugam, like bhí leabhar bugam, leabhar green bug. Bhí cool, bhí bhhaí sé na passport teanga.
Yeah.
Má like it's really cool. Ach anú mé aga chum má wallet frisin like is some ag an wallet my phone agus a passport an sean ID bhí am. So bhí in the emergency passport am agus this he's like raw whatever you do na call on cean seo.
Oh jeez.
Home was a road trip anyways.
Oh no.
Bhí ma eriche má go Nashville agus rís cinná cúpa ag sé ruth faoi like ní hálacht tá ó seo ach like bhí me sé geir go seach is na bobbalaí agus bhí mar hán carta tumóna am ach ní hóíoch sé dé me agus sé má státe. Cuiimar go sús acu is tús me si am ID agus túte oh no we can't take that here. So like kifá túte tá má státe so mis like rá ach like brother sin miss you like sin mó éitom like sin fós miss you ach like no good ach sin hallman emergency passport in Nashville agus ní an embassy in Nashville agus bhín talm anyways bhí go súsca New York go Washington a dús ach dús ma no just go an embassy in New York so go an embassy in New York lá river flight agus dús ma ó Brenna tá bh flight mádach man an rutkins áhurs bhála man cháma má passport agus bhí sé like oh yeah don't worry tú go sort má chu siir sa meid agus sin bhí arta cúta numa dimi agus is James can you come up here for a second? Yeah, no bother. By any chance did you use your emergency passport? Oh yeah, I thought you wouldn't notice that. Yeah, the brother. Okay, yeah. Tom was actually doing it in Mordach. I can't do the back in Mordach. Is called with us an embassy. Agus I'm back in Mordach anyways. Agus my he's a reception that ages. Agus we lad of security raw. No, the embassy doing it. You might go. No. It turn goes off like to tutkin so I'm gonna water air ball. Can couple with flight. Do should know like chat doing it. No chance. Just map. I say my name. To my animator list I say James O'Flaherty. I should. Oh yeah, you're go.
VIP.
I was literally front of my page and it's from a wala and when you should the page chin
yeah
ag an airport agus the holiday mission ó BLOC TG4 go Gaelgals sa mar chwala John Doe ní bhah clú ag aon go main you're tadam you're absolute tad up.
Well James ní mo dríomh gearta ara or the
no.
Carty den chomra gan reachtas tá mé héins Hugh retard.
Absolutely, yeah.
Just fogger latch thirst.
No, be dini tí an hang mo dras. Kosher James tí.
Somehow baby she's strong.
That's a super shot.
Oh my god.
Super class.
Shot class.
The blue material the glad.
Don't stop already and shut that crutch.
sílam go nósa an arachtas do gní dul is na seomir mí ceirte agus bhín siad gcóí le credan siad go láidir gur sin seomar so héin agus sin bhíú den eilón ó hí stair agus bhíú teach níos is rá actually that's ar order eile.
Bronarm sin é móbhain is sí really sorry, just go through really
just hold him at all.
I mean that's the fuck. Oh my god. That's the gur hannig tú arás anyway, James, in piece of wine mostly.
Yeah.
What do you call it? I take a raw and a birdie password like a stamp or the Hindo. Just like anything to
send to Ireland.
Yeah. Fragile.
In the airport. Agus Vima literally Vima wall of Rima agus vi suitcase on person. Vima parents at a bopper or all. Like I'm going on a plane. Just go at a plane, James. Just go at a plane.
Oh wait.
I think was it the way means in the pilot oxygen again at a plane river water shell. I think you captured cook, you know, Jehovah's Witness in the making, but I just go for yourself. We're like, yeah, that's what I kept. Yeah, I'm gonna see she's done show.
Show me shit.
You just put that handing it all in the or in the Cairo like just James Florida, James Hog. Oh my god. I'd say kind of can't be an actual the Gaelgals eat hain because obviously it's Bert Steve actors the group
Dr. Cortimid.
Dr. Cortimid. Le turmy different I guess la
Go on, Hugh Leonard.
Le turmy different.
At the special excellent.
Yes. Caiill. So Alex with the Gala, Kane Doy or Harley na Gaelgals because Kane Doy like and row like rigorous recruitment process like Louis Walsh against like he's brand new no like Kane Doy or Hashia or Kate what was their own catalyst the Gaelgals. We should just
no should all we should look at a podcast singular
oh yeah
and could look at a group it
yeah.
A rud a hála ná so bhí mis a mar chuid gon coiste colchán ciile agus tasú group chat chéad óád chéint chum ach siad na Gaelgals a le go bheán so le níor an lead an agus rá aon den nach romans ri carsú le níor si a grúpa so réir chéile like bhí tá so tá sé cinna brise so a ísgrúpa ag so bhí alsfuin dag sin allscar dús agus sin bhí mis léana agus na frebs in the frebel agus sin bhí Lucy sa bhí an tíbhhéirling rá? Yeah. So like
come bhí si sa cean céine le se
yeah so bhí agus bhí mid gar canál mar gur a loga ásaí defriú agus bhí daine goba bhí daine snálsco bhí daine measci sos bhí was gur rud cuteína go gaoch is agháil a chéile fós so hosamid le Instagram ar dús agus bhíochmid gar a cursus rud é granhar rud é cute agus tá am Lucy ringing bit of recruitment ar Lucy ringe bhfuil me se le Lucy is bhí me like was in there tá like friend crush at tá tú like my gara bheit mar besties leis a duine se like
gafa le Róisín
bhí me se like ben caín se an guste bhí me like okay tú tíocht ag an éireachtas yeah okay tú tíocht ag a CCB yeah okay bhí me like chola ócas be like Lucy be tú tíocht yeah bhí me just seasta gar Lucy bheit mar chuid gon grúpa agus sin tréir chéile chumann sa seasta grúp chatí mar nuair síána dús mar ní hab gur an cuiste nuirtar an cuiste
no ní mé an gcuiste go dtí an Darblin bin marhealirta agus bhí me se ag tuairt óráidnar le an ag gur an seachtain an duchtathe faoin bhilge or something weird I don't know
as bhí like
and bhí tusa an mar bhí tusa mar úachtar an and then tú like I'm not too great like yeah
like nuair tá mai gara duí sa bhela nana bh áha
teach me your ways, Róisín.
astrology James Wheeler House. So
Should name Patreon.
Yeah. Back in Russia, then he gets to like, you're coming home with me.
Ach, so bhí Instagramming a réché tapgrospa a serábhís an éideag agus chain dos chogan about eile a réon fandéim chubad sús le phodchraoladh. Chubad sús a rive a réon fandéim?
No, it was like Dana galore sa fandéim. Ceapan gur si like me dare for sa fan.
What is time? Like ní cluam.
If fehan or ag immersion. Yeah. Tom would like blian gala á dhéanamh inis ceapan. Beag ná. Yeah.
Mar bhí canál there bhí matíirecht in Instagram bhí sé dachar ábhar a chuingeal go suas mar was an tá 8 an bheith mis cinne óbéid gurh tí ag Lucy of agus bach Lucy cinne óbéid gurh tí ag Róisín chum so mácha so bhíoch like bhíoch mit garbh sé dachar.
Jo fuint a cur ceist like chéile ag cur ceist chéile an sceirlar mar chum siús and it just was an umcha so and it should just do what you want.
Yeah, just carve these so those like na TikToks a go Paris that Lucy just like the chaos. Ach, content queen. Ach leis an phodchraoladh chin mohim hug sin level elements mar bhí canal bhí de dtíine an níos áchar agus canal hiig siid céird bhí a gceist agus gur like atá gur bhí minise achas 8 cars was le chodifriú. Like tá mis agus Lucy is canal buid an bookends is mission duine sinne si Lucy den is óige agus ringamid céim na difriú agus tá síalcha difriú lein ach tá a lug tá neidir sin gráin á chéile like níomh clúad like dhéadach buid rud a bheith á chéile.
Literally Euphorica like
yeah
this is from other misters or whatever.
Ach like what's fair.
Yeah.
No, agus she Lucy on she Lucy bhíonn Sarah na rudí gon leannach go organ she an artiste like it's like
yeah mis agus ma procreate
yeah she class
Worship inspirad ó lehanach nó phodchraoladh Gaeilge eile faoi le like sílam linne tugan ahan sort dunnetá crothú áhar trí Gaeilge sort inspirad dúnar bhealháin a bailheach ro phodchraoladh bháin eile faoi le a chudí libse sibhtasúma.
You're Eagrán.
Yeah.
Céad fin
Yeah.
There's a glow and like just goffalo. And yeah, I don't know, just Beo Eagrán.
Is each in the OGs really navi.
Is she those caill Gaeilge le glam.
Yeah.
Bhíoh mit go dé cíidir ar sin fashion lí sin ná agus bhí golóra ar fanal nó na man a réidir na lithe bhíoh am ní chearú le agrú agus bhíoh muid bhíoh golóing den PC sin simrá tá muid an anna seo dhéine. Bach muid an anna seo dhéine agus cinál thug si sin deising cleachta agus na skillan na Herberts agus thug si chola agus an sin bí muid okay well níd muid mé an de man a dómh ar réidir na lithe so chumid ar Ráidió Rí Rá so cholann na be cho takeúil agus bhí bíon cholann ag garúnar chutá chéile agus bhí muid ná breanúir réine eiles ra weintid sin trí le sin bearting sin na chréalagus Tásúla go mé dtíine mar sin linge freisin go bhfuil sin cinna bheith fólam an na chéile mar na mrá be aigen tá siad clás bin si teasta tuairt seoutouting agus tuairtcú na ring agus bin dáharing so dhearann gur binid chud a smú ach mohim gur muide le Gaeilge le glam 2.0
You rud bhí cearla sin?
Chanig bheith tweet á my chéint was like Gaeilge le glam walked so Gaelgals could run near the heat.
Bhí sin cógra.
Níos cé bhí á cheabh
So true bestie, so true.
Dúine sílam gur Tommy Hector and Larisha walked so na seachtainí a good run.
I think so, yeah. I think our figure out with mock KVK. I think we were country show ages ago. I think
gur misgur sílam gur tosa Tommy díirc mí allir just ní holam James ag call like gléiste cos le Tommy arheh and like an hot sin eáil I kind of scarf ní sinna kind of like doing the artsy look, you know.
The Tommy ag sí mar seo.
like
So Tá man seáil de Gaelgals. Gotí ar bhain sib solta sin.
Bheith roll astruach agat i lágrain éigean cos le Jerry girls ag lom just sin na háid
Random.
Hector get bug ní smócas le James and sort magu a leg
The well-travelled man.
yeah
couple of passport.
agam sílam.
Yep.
Couple of visa couches.
My own iríomh ggóil tamsa in life na bheith cos a Hector. Mas íontach post bheith Hector á. Ach bh chum marrád a TG cead, bh chum marrád look. Cinál liability man. Tú ná embassy on wheels ag an So má chum am passport ní má go siar agus siar board be cá.
But inta see travel show dhéanú le James because like you tú like lehhain is agus bit the past cajin bet tú like right caiim an wall I suppose.
Í bhéh chuí as a me an bháile betí sáine hallan.
Bémas in touch der narcos is mé be chuig passport am be James O'Flaherty, James Flaherty, Seamus Ogo Flaherty. Be just my mix as the Suscalor so mé galwada at some stage.
Catú seo bhd agus is thuras gon na embassies ar fád atá. Agus be tú ná like 5-star nu ce rud a thuirtáil. Bhí fergadars ansás agus bhí mar gona thug a passport ansás ní rá an ban ag whatever. Like maim gur binne an seo bheith antóir sin.
Because there's a Guinness guru be ma shit ceann San Fran's be ma like passport on flimsy no wonder go home. What's that?
It's an ad.
Come on.
TripAdvisor reviews.
Come on.
Trí quick star embassy connoisseur fan guvation and Instagram competition gal Suez.
Was that the chuige hostage leis Podchraoladh? A hostage cinál haar Zoom le chéile be bhí se sa pandéim. Is like abún cecha í hostage back ar Zoom bhí and then cecha í neach se go Ráidió Rí Rá kind of cecha develop on se.
Well, we were a Jane of like na Zoom quizzes like so like we were all right
stop
oh god PTSD on a Zoom quizzes like but anyway yeah so we were Áine sin so we tahi agan le Zoom so just kind of husnémer agus humor jagball at Ráidió Rí Rá like sort of husnémer because zero clue agan chudas phodchraoladh a dhéanam chuna sé chur na hordán like agsúla Israel so just humor jagval and níomh bhí si go bird le Ráidió Rí Rá darna mé ag an agus yeah just harig sí linn agus chur siise like in earja iad ar Spotify agus like music doing so ní wearing like lock or dialogue leis so yeah bhí sé like yeah just diver sé machnian I don't know
Tá bheith go tús bhí canál taithí difriú le choile be so bhí mis inna Mangabór Radio de Lifa bhí snéid inna Masca Militia Radio na Lifa agus bhí chuidáing a bhí ar Mars FM in nás go bháinú so bhí canál taithí ag chuidáing den tafad agus agathart agus ruí so de réir chéile bhí mis canál like múnará chéile agus gur na skillination a rins agus maridir bhag cholirt ar lína bhí aber bhí mu de mé naán ar Zoom agus bhí mu duna bhím sin bricfast a blas a fepí ar Zoom agus so bhí canál taihí agur sin agus réir chéile bhí mis an a sin na lugarín sa chéile agus Ráidió Rí Rá áha like ní gá like tá a héin agur háirt an se sin písa ach seachas sin ní gáin a cheollaraigs canál ligin te níomh airthirtá chur le chéile maidir le cin há bhí se go suas bach ar Spotify chuirt ach bhín táing mar nírá mór an pléann ní annach cinál tansmíis ein mar bhí a phléile fád ag go meach podchraoladh mar bhím rá cifá nachneach me deach mar gur mu scapi choláit be bhí sé dechar cinna áit gomach be an hiochtlí tafa dún agus sin Jerry chéile bhí canál bhí cholinna tafad smála bhí cholinna bheir to the phodchraoladh. So bhí was okay, should I deis ach yeah, chuig se like chuig se a chéile scipi go má capam gur churbid ce a réidir réimbragus tí se gur caiici bhí chlár mó agus bhí net a dtíine dagáil le rag ar hang se lob agus tátééis stíle arba ganín ó chain agus Arberts.
Bhí mar ag an ní mar hééis bhí taihí agan ach ní like like ag tafid like phodchraoladh agus mar sin so bhíoch muid like ag gglairtar fa beidir gá or go le agus bhíoch an éid sin le tafid an be like oh no chaim sin aráéis an féile sin flint no Jerry mé sin éis so an féile sin ará ar chléile like bhí mar just near cleagan agus bhí just ag gglairirt agus honestly like agus me sé déanana agur thuirte like literally just slap dainta like
mar bhfuil like gáí ó there mic there the heats
no like after ran leor that's sinné sorry la
no bhí just rá ar dús nu an ar gohar tas le bálog le chur le chéile yeah shafa inis it's just like two stead intro outro boom Seachtainí
pros
tá nervhí metála bars cinna thugmid fao zero gur ní pros ach tá antaí agad is bheith crothú ábhar mar was de boomerang sin agus bin daine in the cheers like ní an mid a cheers ní sú tíach like tosamid agus be glunne agus sin dermas hían dótí agus sin ben boomerang híla go in the cheers agus some look like
God.
So na daoine nachtig lo seo eáil duine le chéile agus tarnín siad hiúla na chéile
the brother
Tim's just near rag or pros should big podcraoladh
yeah
Níl siúling le leis an tafid go fáil
bhí mid canál gáí fún héin mar tá i dahéin ru sé gáir le chéile dumid ar dohacht daine planúir fa si Cummins crackles.
Oh, Ashton. I go wear agus muid like photo shoots that agan table my agus really come out like so.
And tripod and solace and clicker like Ray.
You know, that's what you get.
Oh God.
Content.
Cambridge ní any faster. Cambridge get photo shoot more. Yeah, no Sally in a true English.
Yeah, there are you photo shoot you know.
Yeah, picture on the turgan like chéile. Agus dénate an síl códalí nar tá Jenny ar graphic ar chrothú fuin union phodchraoladh bhín ar trí fictar agsúla aimimsú agus cinú nachhfuil dunar bí an aclinn in éoncant na pics an sna go sé clúdú leat a gúlan na tain cinnta James a sé ná iné do clíthe immert agus chuann in a láige mar sinna fágil chuann ar graphic uair den seaisle tá chuann James in the láige
Say butcher on podcast
In kin inter Hugh because sen mahajenu shoots initially so the kin just like solar Hugh and sin James is main kin luffa gritty in kaijang go hulker so kaim which
but the aim bad agency the one get my sign just sign on that like the sauce the picture oh yeah
who MTS
MTS
yeah May is MTS sirs just cruiser
yeah tá áige sinna bhíú
so tá Steve and hers agus tá customer in lowrider badger like
Díra do a héistóí bhí me Timon síos bóthir túm in gáú an láfií arú agus ní thugla mé chuirlinn dark me machchan inneog agus céhí nachlumm ach MTS Timon síos a móthir I hers. Bhí sé gar cócúil bhí spéicilgréide intair sin grúir seaché dú coolléir bhí sé just I gar cos le gro sé when taine was an rion. Ok deirí me níró duine níró corp ar bí I gúil an car so bhí sé
that we know.
Ag ní lis gom go déhí ar siúlaige tí hers. Agus tá mé cinse greis na bhí an dark me cúplaúir le
Boombox mór ví sem Eagrán.
Johnny Shanghurst just le bheith chuna írónach.
Jolín.
An version of an orchestra omland is an killer and omland. Obviously.
No, we just Sean Monaghan actually back actually. Be my king is I go mental.
Oh my god, her kind of much courage attacking because Áine man rud and drawing like Grand Hill whatever and obviously bring my after or whatever. I was her car do like on Oscar. There's oh yeah, shouldn't like uncle da like thing it like my hair galamatha. I was like, what? Like
Oh cool.
Sean Monaghan or whatever. So she's like, yeah, near Hugh she like came for like her Annie Gaffalish or whatever. And I was like, Sean Monaghan.
Her holdership in or an Olivia runnach.
Yeah, or noch. Oh,
yeah,
belter.
Yeah, such a good impression.
Oh my god.
Isn't Belnach got a good in Eurovision?
Oh yeah. Sell the original to Eurovision to like. So it's a song about a fish.
All killer, no filler. Ag Sean Monaghan.
Bheith sé bhhaid níos fearr de leathan stuff a chuann si ag an Eurovision an tíir seo.
Could do raw lipstick. Bhí Jedward awa.
Oh.
Iconic.
Oh.
Séú nó seachtú áit fuair siad an bblion.
Like
In Airing.
In Airing.
Bhirt nachtigh lo canú díirí go hinnta lo.
Look, you like Áine Wayne and Áine is fair a bhí Éireann ag Eurovision, you like Rower Wayne on. We've got the world.
Just to the turkey.
Mickey Joe Hart. No, not just.
Yeah.
Oh, Johnny Logan.
Yeah, Johnny Logan, Dana, not Jim
no.
Dermot, oh geez, Niamh Kavanagh in your eyes.
No, Mickey Joe.
Ní
man bheith tús táceocht I bit in aíide go dúna má ach is Mickey Joe Hart is sé an ó an seá riomhí Eurovision.
Yeah. See,
You made dear chun sin a rá.
Yeah, ceapan gur libel a bheitán an ggéir.
Có as like bhí sé an I ggur like minús best dance crooner ag mar sin mar Voltour an sin bhí sé an muis a roost.
No, ní fiú roost is Brady's. He's not a fós.
Not a fós. Oh my yeah.
God.
Aine géisteach ó bhánúid tásakiv yeah, just sin like hope yog shin Brady's like
yeah,
like you know like Chaachtarn she styrags and shin like club ashtach Sue styra she class but you know sweatbox
yeah.
Or Harla and Rod Kieran or Harla never just shining in UCD like Victor was thinking like rag week UCD agus hencha we've got the world tonight agus way having a metal I should ring chat earacht aren't Ella shan having a boo or just like Fuega like in Charm or whatever and then Elware or on the yellow bitch like we've got the world having like oh
just you have to go in the pub cause we got the world tonight over and over and over agus tucking hulna
so that version cold cedar inish agus so that version jazz
well, we've got the
EDM.
world
tonight and those Ariana Grande
yeah we've got the world tonight yeah
lagging rap lagging classical mumble rap little Ryan English
yeah genuinely
my girl can mumble rap just like
young leg reggae
and then in jazz we've got the world
slam poetry called slam poetry we got the world
snaps
that's in High School Musical you know ma we've got the world
dance routine na Carlash
Erking like but Rahan higgy humor sin but the thing be Gary
tardy
that was not news to the skill but just we got the world tonight and saying on is on just which I can't really different
machine Chi cat
beep beep hello
agus a roll go Mickey Joe Hart tá MTS
oh my god the casual a garnmuidir or ahanla agus higlah a bhartugh an friar Shaw Horch da roisih hun kosher junior harla cheala agus roisih hun dinge hostal céin trúr an locky sibh hig in kosher tea fin junior
Ooh, Tror and dinner no Tror Adrian.
Tror and dinner.
Turn thing, yeah, because I think then
Okay.
they'll actually like trying to turn.
Bhí ó nó marú cáú nó hí ana bheith go darthú duineí.
Agus tá sé an bheith in éá ar dam.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a territory searching.
Okay. Seo sa bh chuig. Well bhil ar taisví ceart siúilta chun mar. MTS tar the way.
But only má tag just a hers. Sin tá.
Agus Jesus cébach. Áine bhreisá. Yeah, well.
Tá an réidir na Gaelgals tá heavy Jim.
Agus toige man. Agus toige.
So mé bit a hostel obviously so cean carú I Gaelgals so
no like see Jack there the kids. Ní bheith gar. You know, it's go bit a comportach what's that.
Ní hortha search face the more no be a vegan agus cos garnti golóir be a vegan ar the in ardéir the scale.
Bachta sin grammar mar saola iad san in the fade rock saola seo.
Saudi MTS.
Like called the fatty.
Just MTS ag ré and focal hummus. I just feel like milchin like
by dead.
By dead.
So this is a cauliflower steak.
Falafel. Pola túí a faoi saitan Tá sé cosan na sicín ach ní sicín atá an. Dean to the go nos KFC mai na tú mar seo.
Té ru a chola mis sé fá faoi ná. Better believe it's not butter.
Okay, Lucy came a chatta.
Bhrálum búla Tara Stewart.
Oh yeah, very
Bhrálum se Lanami ar Insta agus just Tom Goffalay like so cool. So Isha Mahalia an Tyranny Tom Goffalay agus just bhrálum leir lei ceapan go si absolutely deadly. Agus Tom ag stracalt leis an John Jarnach lads.
Misha.
Yeah, Róisín. Tom Gary Bill leis an Argentini. Tyler the Creator.
Ooh, bachta sin go mar.
Nascon in like, you know, simul.
Yeah.
Bachta sin crack also.
Pain size vibe.
As bheith síimsíach agus daní cumáile daoine a canú dut. Party pieces.
Exactly.
Ní bhah cean Lucy réidir na Gaelgals daine.
No.
See
Josie.
Tyler the Creator kill Shannos.
Oh, what's that? Fuck Shannon.
Tyler the Creator cost we got the world right.
Yo, we got the world.
Crossover we didn't know we needed.
Sílam ghfuil rud eile gur cheartúníir ar mar beidir goil túm láidir agah seo fa seo. So tá muid sort conspóideach fa Taylor Swift ar an Podchraoladh seo.
Ooh.
Bhí líonníhar chuir ar an Podchraoladh le Taylor chusint mar bíon mud na gitbug Jean ar hío an go ham. So céim túm tá go sé faoi Taylor an bhfuil se bhine ina Swifties nó an bhfuil se go hom lá na bháirte sin.
Bhualam má chuoine a ahrú ar má bhór bhualam troir Taylor Swift.
Okay.
On Ragrín sin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Goffalay. Tom hééis be Goffalay ar fabéinte ach to be fair chuig méid trí tréise agus tá is fulam seo fún féin a chuig méid trí tréise agus like níor hatan sílum marall ar na man agus fachgurt bhí mé absolutely like yeah just influenced #influenced but yeah no inis Tom Goffalay ar is like ceapan go si deadly agus is brala a chuid ar an yeah just ceapan go si an jazz ceapan go si mar chara an lá chuma.
It's because I go lána go dúirthaí dó ag learn tú go páirsan a fuhí.
Basically im chrí, you know. Okay, yeah.
Dé fuút a Róisín.
Was like then áan me mai insa go minic mar ar dús is like love story so should have looked like oh I don't nach luisiim a seo ríis. Bhíoh se ach sin a ó like red béidir 1989 hangis se sin lom na chutí canal níos Abbey agus
Better Than Revenge.
Yeah, oh yeah, fear actually hang counted them. Gur me canal bitter Peter. Ach, bhí was bin rudí an nach dagen an, like aber an all too well denúid, like tá ag go méid dína go níiad Jake Gyllenhaal agus tá leor cuachtacha. Tá go tí garbh in na níos smúla sin ach freisin níorhhailm gomach si chu aon duna guntuirt ach snúirtá néid sin cuachta cai bh an cuamach le dtí mar sin ach smálam na bobs ach freisin bim canál anú sná faoi Taylor. Sásta go deise na óran a hafadí an ar beríist mar fócas cúise brán ach nun sná brehan sé lá.
Funny me gaiirí ar dain sin gro cad go ascaní an nuair an bud bhí rá sin raig tú san bhar nach lo de gra ascaní an nuair cean na Gaelgals.
Agus bu bheith se a gascaí sa fíí. Bit á
a fáilteóid.
Gás Taylor Swift kam se mo chapín onrikke chum agus rá. I lás vi lí a first lána, ri se potú ar lenach Twitter na Seansálaithe. Bhí má gochríí Twitter agus chonig me go chuir síús tweet agus is léime sim le átís lyricí cin as a chin, so mar like a cheam go mo chuntas persanta. And then rá nu me na dhé chonig me tweet na Seansálaithe tagged. Tá go bin lyricí Taylor as like shit. I gone down fucked up.
Céim a hían mar like nurin sú ganas ar coppla chuntas catú chomach cat. Ní bhína
lehead de lia I gcónaí garc. Bhín si gcónaí.
Deirmsa, tá mar scantin. Tá mar sin hí an cantin.
An dhéanamh na Gaelgals a sin bheith se ceagí bhar seo.
Céine seo.
Yes. Ó bhí ar lína gan am sin rá.
Agus dúir text rá go simú
Ag tíon fón idir láh.
Tá sé gos lei sin gan áte bre caiit tú suirta tú héna clúdach eile chu nólas faoin rud go genta agad.
Yeah, like my young would fuck up. It's like Gaelgals like tá like má cheann tú rifos God an attachment nu like with you sin. To like sorry cama tí rifos a cheol achas cean bháin nu.
Is ru is me chu the rifos gal an attachment and then chu the rifos said it's need attachment full song.
Yeah. Tallium.
Is like raw.
Igrani.
A brother should I did him a hain. Show Misha.
Misha era.
Could there do it's liability va?
Yeah, Kevin gave. I think woman got a bashti reached more James liability was larger.
Mine to box all.
Seamus all the liabilities. Oh my god.
So Kate our son Taylor is Kate on night like
but yeah, I like they're much in you like.
Yeah.
Do hang comparison to we do we took them some folklore the wine.
A folklore class.
The one actually I'm more cool to when Bonnie Bear I think you're sin one my soul
exile
yeah tune the cratchit but tune the cratchit Bonnie Bear and then it's more Bonnie Bear feet Taylor Swift not Taylor Swift feet Bonnie Bear so sin the flag when ma insult us I went in you're really like the bops that's why your ma can the E&D naughty sin I start throwing shapes to we will never ever get back together so correction I went in become like be much more fan more the John Mayer though my phas was so yeah
feeling glory the keel in it.
Whoa I mean it's walking red flag mate like to Frank Ocean to Frank Ocean or my phone or my class phone like Tassagum I'm very well aware
no there meant to go nigger dough too
yeah, I just think the Swifties cannot excessive to be honest.
Oh yeah,
yeah, you know, I think a couple of my kid. Don't get me wrong, Swam Green Swago killed have, but by no means could be in dinner shower of the cost of like.
Sean Rudd, Swifties Gerby and Kyoto is fair.
Yeah,
Rio on.
I just look like what's that? Character Derry Girls James loosely based himself. No, it's Dick Misha. Ach, just mal me go an náidíní versions gati. Just was the Swifties cho Toki sin de Taylor Swift. Dem se obviously go rá átí seachtainí. Just like on, controversy, crack from that, like, yeah, talk, mar dus huge in. Maybe Josie is glue. Oh, Bob's Taylor Swift. The cost about 22. You might definitely cost 22 bléann sin I look. I shouldn't have belt on
Tam fós a chasa.
Ní rud bí fear na bheith síos club is cloisiú dú aon sean órán agus bheith chuid de órán Taylor I measc na bops sin ach tá mthir mé héin agam faoi Taylor agus ní mail an fósaí mar gan neathí síach le Harry Styles nar bhí mise tríide muid siú mé agus tá gom com mí rééisúnta tá mé ach just tá sé sáteón am nachtí le mthir methú faoi. Tá coppla maicí cinnte ach just doesn't do it for me.
Very Eagrán Ellie and the free Harry Styles.
Yeah, definitely.
Let me show you again like Blake Lively. I can't believe go Hugh Ryan Reynolds one.
Blake Lively.
Yeah. Ain't Ryan Reynolds meant to be.
And bromance is fair so doing. Oh my god. Well, lads, sílam go béis sin é gur míle maigh was a bheith linn inniu ráistígus le bhí sibh intamáinis caiimid ra na Gaelgals.
Codacu.
Hín ceathú den na Gaelgals, yeah. Mas gur muid am na man hosta ag fáil na seansaí ar Instagram, na seansaí ar Twitter agus na seansaí ar YouTube ar chun fi an gáanta seo. Sin mas gairí aine amsú ar na main hosta se mar anhhuiir ar Instagram, TikTok agus ar Twitter, sinné Harvard my German sin. James ar Fáilte ar Instagram, Twitter agus TikTok agus tuise ar Instagram agus Twitter mar Hugh Carr agus sin mar Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Ráisin agus Lucy cén feit gur féidir le daoine sibh amsú cinna tú féidir le daoine sibh a fluisteáil agus eáil.
Well, is fé libh mé leanúint ar Insta agus TikTok ag IDK Fridge. Oh, agus Twitter. TikTok.
Sí, denmid.
Is fé libh mé leanúint ar Twitter, TikTok agus Insta ag IDK Fridge. Yeah, so random.
So cool.
Agus is féidir mis a capan gur cholá spell is Róisín punk. No punk Gaelbh and the Russian Gaelbh. Iconic.
August freshen it's
the Gaelgals.
Gael_gals Insta August Twitter August Gaelgals Facebook. Gurmí Magad.
Shit like good land hour.
Never Gael Aislinn.
Gaelgals like Gina punk up.
Agus an phodchraoladh na Gaelgals not in German phodchraoladh na Gaelgals ar Spotify agus ar iTunes agus ar could be at a wine for good phodchraoladh. What do you go? Well, she don't give a shit. Lads, gur míle maigh bhí activated. Agus gur míle maigh was aning bhí géistart agus a gurk ar an feed on YouTube. Image rash reach la e specialty. An specialty charting sugar actually. Yeah, agus oh no, we should the specialty fast in that direction. Yeah. The specialty. Agus charting sugar one of the results in Jerry Seachtainí agus and charting sugar la Eagrán in the Seachtainí. Slide.
Bye guys.